In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search anywhere on Google Flights in just about 5 minutes. This is a fabulous tool for those who love to travel, offering you the flexibility to explore flight options to various destinations. Whether you're planning a trip soon or just dreaming about your next vacation, Google Flights has got you covered. So let's dive in and make you a flight searching pro. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Google Flights. You can easily find it by typing https://www.google.com/travel/flights into your browser's search bar. This link will take you directly to the Google Flights page, where you can begin your journey into the world of air travel exploration. Once you're on the Google Flights homepage, you'll notice a myriad of options and information at your fingertips. But before you get lost in the excitement of booking your next adventure, make sure to click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. This step is crucial as it allows Google Flights to provide you with personalized recommendations and a more streamlined experience. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you'd like to use for this session. This is particularly helpful for those who manage both personal and business accounts. Next up, you'll be asked to enter your Google password. Make sure to type it in carefully to avoid any access issues. This is a good moment to check that your keyboard is set to the correct language and that caps lock is not accidentally turned on. Having entered your password, go ahead and hit next. Now you're fully signed in and ready to start the exciting part. Searching for flights. Move your cursor to the destination field. This is where the magic happens. Instead of entering a specific city or airport, you have the freedom to explore flights to anywhere in the world. This feature is perfect for those who are feeling adventurous but haven't decided on a final destination yet. The next step involves selecting your departure and return dates. Google Flights offers a flexible date picker that lets you easily browse through different options. Whether you're looking for the cheapest time to fly or have specific dates in mind, Google Flights can accommodate your needs. This is a great way to compare prices across different periods and find the best deal for your travel. After choosing your dates, remember to click on Done. This confirms your selection and takes you back to the main search area, now with your dates filled in. It's a small step, but an important one to ensure the accuracy of your search. Finally, the moment of truth, clicking on Explore. This button unleashes Google Flights' full potential, allowing you to see various travel options across the globe. You'll be presented with a map and a list of destinations, each offering unique experiences and adventures. The Explore function is particularly useful for finding deals to places you might not have considered initially, making it an excellent tool for budget travelers and explorers alike. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use Google Flights to search anywhere, plan your travels, and perhaps discover your next dream destination. Remember, the world is vast, and there are countless places to explore. Google Flights is just the tool to help you see what's out there and make those travel dreams a reality. Thank you for joining me in today's guide. Safe travels, and may you find incredible deals and unforgettable destinations. See you in the next video.